and U.S. conflict escalates in Strait of Hormuz. A major military confrontation has erupted between Iran and the United States in one of the world's most critical waterways, the Strait of Hormuz. Reports say U.S. Navy destroyers came under attack from Iranian missiles and drones, triggering immediate American retaliatory strikes on Iranian military targets. The situation is rapidly escalating, raising fears of a wider regional war and a global energy crisis. According to U.S. officials, 3 American destroyers operating near the Strait of Hormuz were targeted by Iranian fast attack boats, missiles, and armed drones. The Pentagon says the ships successfully defended themselves, and no major damage was reported. In response, U.S. Central Command launched strikes against multiple Iranian military locations, including missile launch sites, drone facilities, and command centers near Bandar, Abbas, and Qeshm Island. Washington described the operation as a defensive response after American naval forces came under direct attack. But Iran is telling a very different story. Iranian state media claims the United States attacked first by targeting an Iranian oil tanker near the strait. Tehran says Iranian forces responded afterward and accused Washington of violating the current ceasefire agreement. Iran also claims civilian coastal areas were damaged during the American strikes, accusations the U.S. strongly denies. The Strait of Hormuz is one of the most important shipping routes in the world. Nearly 20% of global oil shipments pass through this narrow waterway every day. Any military conflict in the area can immediately impact global oil prices, energy exports, international shipping, financial markets worldwide. Following the latest clashes, oil prices surged again as fears of supply disruption spread across global markets. World leaders are now calling for restraint as concerns grow over a possible direct war between Iran and the United States. Diplomatic efforts involving Oman, Pakistan, and European countries are reportedly underway in an attempt to prevent the crisis from spiraling further out of control. Military analysts warn that even a small miscalculation in the Strait of Hormuz could trigger a much larger regional conflict. The situation remains extremely tense tonight, with both Iran and the United States accusing each other of violating ceasefire agreements. As military activity increases in the Gulf region, the world is closely watching what could become one of the most dangerous international confrontations of 2026. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story. If you want fast updates on global conflicts, breaking international news, and major world events, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.